Thank you. Bets are closed. Good luck. It's 9 for the player and Bucker for the bank. Make compliments to your pet. Play with neutral 9. Enjoy. Betting time. Well, player wins last 3 rounds. Thank you. Bets are closed. 8 for the player. Bucker for the bank. Play wins 8. Bucker. Betting time. Welcome. Bets are closed. Good luck. Bucket for the player, 6 for the bank. Extra card here for the player. Banker wins 6/2. Make congratulations. Thank you. Betting time. Welcome. Bets are closed. Good luck. 6 for the player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9/6. Thank you. Betting time. Bets are closed. Good luck. 8 for the player, 1 for the bank. Play wins 8/1. Congratulations. Thank you. Betting time. Betting time is over. Good luck. It's 1 for the player and 5 for the bank. Extra card for the player. Mega wins 5/1. Congratulations. Betting time now. Welcome. Bets are closed. Good luck. It's Bucker for the player, 4 for the bank, extra card for the player, play wins, and 9/4. Betting time now. Welcome. Thank you. Bets are closed. Good luck. 5 for the player, 7 for the bank, extra card here for the player, banker wins 7/4. Thank you. New betting time. Welcome. Bets are closed. It's 8 for the player, 3 for the bank. Play wins 8/3. Parent player side. Compliments to you, Pat. Betting time. Betting time is over. Good luck. 1 for the player, 6 for the bank, extra card here for the player. Player wins 9/6 and spare on banker side. Compliments to you. Betting time. Welcome. Player wins last 2 games. Bets are closed. Good luck. 3 for the player, 2 for the bank. Double draw. Banker wins 0/1. Congratulations. Thank you. Betting time. Thank you. Bets are closed. Good luck. It's 3 for the player, 3 for the bank, extra card for the player, extra card for the bank. Player wins 6/3. Congratulations. New betting time. Welcome. Thank you. Betting times are good luck. 2 for the player, 8 for the bank, make you win 8/2. Thank you. Betting time. Bets are closed. Good luck. 2 for the player, baccarat for the bank, double draw, and tie with baccarat. Thank you. Betting time, welcome. Statistic of last 3 games, tabbing your player. Bets are closed. It's 3 for the player, baccarat for the bank, double draw. Thank you, 9 over 6. My compliments. Thank you. Betting time, welcome. Bets are closed. Good luck. 9 for the player, 8 for the bank. Player wins 9 over 8. Congratulations. Betting time, welcome.